Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Crazy Monina. Guys, thank you so much, Lord. I'm so very happy because everything I'm good. That laboratory is good. Really promise to God, guys. I'm crying. I hug the doctor because the CT scan with contrast all abdomen. They are good everything, and also the pap smear good, also negative, and also my ultrasound. So I'm so
Video ka?
ako ra man, sir.
Bawal ta mag-video.
Lagi ako may sa ako rang on ba. Oh. Hi guys, I need to continue my video. I'm scared because the security, he came for me. She said that not allowed to make video inside the hospital. So I know that one, but I thinking just only inside the hospital not allowed, but also that outside the parking area, so not allowed also. So by the way, guys, I'm so happy and I'm crying because everything CT scan with contrast. That one CT scan whole abdomen negative, everything is good, and also my pap smear and also my ultrasounds, they are good. I'm so very happy, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. So by the way, I'm so happy. Tomorrow I need back in Bohol, but now after finish here I need to go into the church. Yeah, guys, that one I do it because I'm always promises that one every if I have laboratory, I'm always going to the church. So you know, guys, because just me alone always came here in hospital until we'll finish. So we are I'm so happy that one. So now I need to waiting the jeepney on going to the church, guys, because I'm so happy, guys. I need to back in Bohol, guys. Really, now it's getting so rainy. We are here outside, guys. It's exit for hospital, guys. Here. So I'm waiting the jeepney, guys. It's rainy, it's coming rainy because look, it's getting rainy. So I need to get a jeepney. I'm waiting. I need to go into Santo Niño Church. So I finished her. I need to do it there. The candle, guys. So now, guys, I'm going to the candle. Yep. So now, guys, I finished here. So I need to back in. And now because tomorrow I need to back in Bohol. So I'm done here for the church, so I need to go. So I finish here. I'm very thankful for the God that I'm already done. So 6 months I will back here in Cebu. Katuan di ko so this guys. So I'm going outside. I need to eat because I'm so hungry.
Mahal na sinusan pa yun sa akin. Kasing among galat kanina. Tubahan sila mga pilikan na tubahan silang pilikan.
It's rainy guys. I need to go in restaurants to eat. So hungry. So it's rainy now. I'm looking a restaurant. I need to eat guys. We are also here but Mr. K. So I cannot afford it. So just here only the small restaurant. I'm looking. Rainy day.